Welcome to the IITR Compliance Kit. The kit ensures that you create and complete documents that fully comply with the new data protection regulation and can also be used to train employees on data protection. The left sidebar will guide you through the IITR Compliance Kit, including the home screen, the privacy checklist, status documents, and the eLearning section. Here you will also find the Data Protection Manual. The manual lists all legally required documents and is based on the ISO high-level structure. To add a document, go to the left side of the manual and select the page where you want to add or update a document. Then click Select Template and select the desired document. The document will be added to the page in the manual. To edit the document, click on the file name to download it to your computer. Edit it in an Office program of your choice and save it under the same file name. Then upload it by clicking on Upload File. The document will now be stored as a new version in your manual. Alternatively, you can also easily upload documents using drag and drop. Simply drag the desired file from Explorer into the browser. This will also trigger the file upload process. In this way, you can upload multiple files at once. To get an overview of previously created document versions, click on the drop-down arrow to the left of the document name. As soon as documents have been created or edited, an overview of your most recent activities will be listed on your start screen. In addition, you will receive further information in the area to the right, either specifically for your company or in general topics in data protection. For more detailed status information about your documents, just click Status Documents in the sidebar on the left side. Here you can see which documents have already been saved or still need to be created. The IITR Compliance Kit also helps you organize your employee training sessions. Just go to the sidebar and on the left side under eLearning, click Send Training. Enter the email address of the employees you would like to invite to a training session. Select the desired training module on the right, then click Send. Your employees will now receive an email invitation with a link to the training module. The invitation link is valid for 4 weeks. An overview of the sent invitations can be found in the sidebar on the left under Statistics. If an employee has not completed their training yet, you can send them a new email invitation by clicking on Send Reminder. If the invitation link has expired, you cannot send a reminder. Instead, send another email invitation under the menu item Send Training.